Today I'll walk you through exactly how to select all tasks in ClickUp and use that selection to make bulk changes in seconds. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by opening ClickUp and signing into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the workspace that holds the tasks you want to work with. Then open the specific space, folder, or list you need. Before you do anything else, make sure you're in list view. If you're currently in board view, calendar, or another layout, switch over now. The master checkbox we're about to use only appears in list view. Take a moment to look at your task list. If you only want to act on certain tasks, apply your filters or use the search bar now. ClickUp will select everything that's currently visible, so narrowing things down first saves you from having to deselect tasks manually later. Now look at the far left of your task list. You'll see a column of checkboxes running alongside each task. At the very top of that column, in the header row, is a master checkbox. Click it once. Every visible task is now selected. A checkmark will appear next to each one. If you had filters active, only those filtered tasks are selected, which is actually handy when you're targeting a specific group. At the top of the screen, a bulk action toolbar will appear. From here, you can change the status of all selected tasks at once, assign them to a user, add tags, or delete them in a single action. Before you hit anything, take a second to double check which tasks are highlighted. Some bulk actions are hard to reverse quickly. Once you're confident, choose your action and confirm it. ClickUp will apply the change across every selected task simultaneously. To deselect everything, click the master checkbox again, or simply click anywhere outside the selected area. If you need to do the same thing in another list, navigate there and repeat the process. It works identically every time. After the bulk action completes, scroll through your list and confirm the changes took effect correctly. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to select all tasks in ClickUp and run bulk actions like a pro. A simple trick that can save you enormous amounts of time. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more ClickUp tips, and I'll see you in the next one.